I still have stuff to do. What are you doing? Go to my room. Not my fault. Feeling that I can hiccup without it hurting.
Oh God.
It won't go away. The only way for me to get it is for you to scare me.
I don't. But I can't scare you. Swallow water outside.
That won't work.
Yes, it will.
No.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
I can't scare you because then you know it's going to be coming. Boo.
Wow.
Get away from me. You want me to scare you?
Nope.
Oh.
I was like, get away.
Oh, good.
Representation of women.
Now you have to go to biography.com and then.
I already
click
did
on
it. They
related
don't have related. This is the related. This is the related links. But it's not my time.
Now I gotta think of some people.
Ow, that was a big one. Ow.
What are you doing?